Welcome. This episode, we're going to build part 6-30J, the water pump eccentric rod and strap for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we're going to build part 6-30J, the water pump eccentric rod and strap, which is going to be a 4-part part, if that makes sense. It's one part, but it's got 4 pieces to it. Part MMGS, file new, MMGS. Okay, let's do right plane, sketch. We're going to do a box, we're going to do standard rectangle. Then we're going to do a circle of 6 radius. Actually, let's do some measurements first. So it's going to be 24. That's going to be width of 12. 12. Okay, this line and this line, we're going to make construction line. Where are we? Construction. Now we're going to do this circle here, the center point arc. We're going to go point there to there to there. Again, down here, we'll click on there. That should lock that in. And around to there. Beautiful. And why does that not? Okay. Nope, that's locked in. That's locked in, while this is not locked in. Nope, it's going to be locked in. Oh, it's fully defined. Oh, that's fully defined. Okay, that's cool. So let's just double check. Let's do that line. It's going to be just do across there, down, and there. Don't need to do this, I'm just doing confirm the measurement is correct. So that is horizontal. And that one is horizontal. Actually, I can just turn it off. Oh, that's good. That should be horizontal. Yes, it is. So this circle and this line should be tangent. And the same as these do. Tangent. Now, if we do a measurement, it should be 36. Oh, no, it's not. I made a mistake. That's what I was checking. I just realized. Oh, it's 36. No, it's not. Yeah. I made big boo-boo. This here, it's 36 from there. I read it wrong, so yeah, measurement, that's going to be 36 multiplied by 2. Then we're going to take away 12. Could have done that there, but let me just do it that way. Okay, now that should be good. Let's span that out. Looks better. I thought it looked a bit short. Hey, make mistakes. That way you get an idea how you can change stuff. Okay, let me just put that one there. There we go. So now it should be 36, 36, so 72. So it should be 72 from here to here, 72. Perfect. There you go. So that is good. Yep. So it's good. Okay, so we want a hole as well. I'm going to do a hole right now. So circle. Oop. That hole is 5 mil. So one each side. Let's do that one 5 mil. Escape to get our measurement. Now this circle and this circle, missed. That circle will be equal. There you go. And then that's going to be out by 58 divided by 2. So 25, 29 should be. So let's do feature extrude So I said 58 divided by 2, 29, perfect. Mid-plane. That doesn't really matter on this one, but we're going to do it anyway. All right, so now let's go. I'm going to save this one. Now I'm going to save it again. No, we'll do it from scratch. Because this is still, it's got to be a circle here, and there's got to be another piece this side, but yeah, we'll do it. We'll start again on that stuff. Fine. So let's do a normal 2. Sketch. Now we want a circle, which is going to be about there. Then we're going to do another circle, which is about there. Actually, no, we're not. We'll do one at a time. So now that's going to be 48. 48. Some less is more. If you start doing too complicated, you can screw things up. If you've got to fix it, it's going to take more to fix it. That's 48. Confirm 58, 48, then 44. It's going to be a ring in there. Yep. That's going to be feature, extrude, cut. Yep, that one there. Through all and done. There we go. That one's good. Yep, that's looking good. Now let's go back to this one. Normal. Sketch. Now it's going to be, let's do 3-point arc. I'll probably do, let me do a center line from there to there. There we go. Now what's going to be vertical? There you go. That's what I wanted. Do a 3-point arc. Sorry, 7-point arc. It's going to be there. And that's just move that around there for the moment. We'll work this out in a minute, but that's going to be 58. That's right, it's 58, yeah. I thought I made a mistake, but I don't think I did yet. 58. Now it's going to be, yeah, something's not right. Hold on. We've got line down here. That's going to be 16 across. I think I might have moved up somewhere. 16. This line and this line. If I join that, what happens? Wow, there. What? Oh, no, hold on. It's diameter 58. Radius 58 divided by 2. There we go. That's better. Okay. There we go. Join there. That's what I wanted. Thank you. I think I know I had that pretty right there, yeah. Probably they have it in diameter and you also do a radius. So bring that one there. That one and that one will be, you know what, I'm just going to do measurement. That way I know I got it right. If I do vertical, it's just got to be the same, so. Why is that one locked in? Let's try it again. Somebody was locked into something. Okay, measurement. We got that point, that line and that line will be 16. Confirm, yes, 16. Then this point and this point will be joined. There we go. That's what I wanted. Yes. Okay, so now we got a line. We do this line from there. I'm just going to go further. What the hell? Yellow, thank you. Oh, that point and this point's got to be connected. There we go. Is this one connected? Yes, it is. None of these point shots should be able to move. The reason I didn't run that line down there, a lot of times you get close, they've tried to cut it. You get an error of 0 thickness or something. That's why I went further out. You already played safe, could have gone this further out up here too if you want to play it safe that way. Okay, feature, extrude cut, nope, sorry. Extrude cut, right word, wrong button. And through all and done. Right, there's that piece of this part done. There you go, piece of the part, there you go. So that's that one done. Now, this is going to be the same this side. The only difference is there's going to be the arm going off. So instead of doing that again, I'm going to save it as the next piece. So I'm going to save, where is it? Save as. It's going to be the same part, but it's going to be the arm. I might have another name for that one. That's fine. Arm part. Now we're going to rotate that around so it's going to go that way. The other piece be there. So exactly the same. Circle around. Yeah. All right. Now we go. Whoop, front. There we go. Is that halfway? See, that's why I like to do mid planes. Just makes it easier. Normal. Nope. Go the other way. And sketch. All right. So now we want to go circle. We want 2 circles. Let me check something. Okay, there's actually 5 pieces. Sorry, not 4. This was another piece. So we want 1, 2. This point here and this point there will be 111, 111. There you go. Let's see, 9. That's going to be 9 diameter, and that's going to be 8 radius, which is 16 diameter. There we go. And I might put that one there. Actually, put that one there and that one down there. There we go. Now we want to do. Ooh. Okay, let me do a center line. No, that's a line. Sorry. Line. Actually, just put a center line from here to there. And then go back to line from there to there and there and there. Delete this line. We don't need that. These 2 points here will be vertical, and these 2 here. Actually, I'm not going to put them vertical yet. They can go there. There you go. Okay, so it's going to be 25. So if we go smart dimension, this point and this line will be 25 divided by 2, which is 12.5. Perfect. And same for this one. 12.5. Right, bring that one down, that one up. Now this line and this circle will be tangent, and this line and this circle will be tangent. And we've got trim tool. Get rid of them, perfect. And also get rid of you. And whoa, no. Oops, sorry, my bad. Untangent them. They're not tangent that, they come down here. So it's going to be this line, and that line will be 5.5. Oh. So I just made it parallel. I think I did too. There we go. Let me zoom in a bit. That point in this line will be 5.5, and the same for this one. 5.5. Yeah, measurement. This point will actually I'm not going to join, I'm going to go, that point in this line will be joined and joined. There we go. That's better. And trim, trim. There we go. Go back over here. Now this point in this line will be joined, and that should be there too. But like that point, line, and joined. I've defined. Oh, fully defined. Okay. It's fully defined with that one. Okay, perfect. Let's see. That's good. And that is there. And that's the thickness of 6. So feature, extrude, mid-plane, 6. Now, we've got 2 holes here. So click on that one. Oh, nope. I've got something. I've got to do something. Probably realise what it is. I need to put a circle here. So if we go to center point. What is that? Oh, hold on. Wrong center point. Should be over here. So let's do... Oh, let's go completely out of this sketch. Let's go to normal. There we go. Go back in the sketch. Add sketch. Go to center point. From there to there. Perfect. Now we need the center point arc, which is from there to there. There we go. Now it should be fully defined. Beautiful. Beautiful. Even though that was not fully defined, it was fully defined there. So you can get confused at times. Now, center point. Street boss, I mean, mid-plane there. We want 6. That one there. Because you had 2 options, so I wasn't too sure. And okay. There we go. That's... Ooh, I just realized I missed something on the last piece. Let me open that one back up again. Let's see, open recent. That one there. Now we want... Where are we? Sketch. We want front plane, sketch. Normal to I meant earlier, sorry. And then we want to do a center line. Oh, hold on. That's what I want, beautiful. Oh. Center line. To there. That's going to be 45 degrees. 45. No. 45. Thank you. Perfect. Get out of that sketch. Now we need to create plane. Let's go plane. Click on that line. Click on that point. That's what we want. Okay. Now we normal to that one. And sketch. And a circle on that point, and that's going to be 4 mil. Okay, it's not locked in, that's fine. Actually, it is locked in. No, it's not. I can't grab that point. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah, that one. Oh, can't grab that point. Yes, we go. There we go. And can't lock it in. Interesting. Oh, what was that? Why is that fully defined now? There we go, locked in. And that's in the correct spot, so that I know that. Because when I clicked on the point there. Okay, we want extrude cut through all and done. There we go. Let me hide you and let me hide you. There we go. Let's go file new. Oh, new. Going to open up assembly MMGS this time. Click on that little pin there. We want to put that one there and that one there. There we go. That's up top. Yes, it is. So that's mate. That face to that face, but we want to flip alignment. Beautiful. That's mate. Circle to circle. Sorry, cylinder, I should say. Oh, mate. Right, there we go. That should be it. Can't move. Yep, it's locked in. Let me zoom out a bit. There we go. I'm going to save that as 6-30J. Remove that there. Assembly. Assembly. There you go. I think I missed that, but that's fine. So we need to build 2 more parts here. It's like a ring there, but it's in 2 pieces, and we've got a circular piece there. So let me close that one down. Close that one down. I'll leave that one open. Let's now go to file new. Now control N will go that same page too. Part MMGS. Now we want the front normal. There we go. We want a circle. Let's do that one. There we go. Another one there. There we go. Do a line there to there, and that should be fully defined. Well, it's undefined because I haven't done the measurements. All right, so the outside measurement was 48 divided by 2, so 24. And the other one is 22. There we go. What maybe they'll have? Oh, that's better. You can go there. I did it. Well, I did it wrong, but it can be done. It should be this way, not this way. It should be like up over and up under. But that's fine. We can always scoot around the other one, so that's fine. We're going to save that. So 6-30J. Going to call it the, not assembly, that one there, but it's going to be half ring A. Now we're going to resave it again. Oh, hold on. Before we do, we haven't extruded it. Is what, 12 wide, so it's going to be feature extrude 12 mid plane. Okay. And I just realized something that should be let's see, appearance metal. Thank you. Steel. I think done brush steel on that one. Do the whole assembly. That works. And do that one. Save that one. And save all, yes. There we go. Okay, so let me actually bring that one in while I'm here. Just leave that one there for the moment, right there. Now this one there, we're going to resave. Save as. Save as copy and open. Save document, new file, and open. Okay, I don't need the other one open, so that's going to be B, half ring B. Now the difference is you got a hole in there like before. So let's go front, exit, normal 2, omit 2, front. Let's do a line from there to there. It's got to be this way. That's going to be 45. 45. And then it's going to be the other sketch. Going to be plane, line, point, and done. Yeah, it's going to be another circle. That was 4, wasn't it? Yeah. So what? Sorry, this plane, sketch, circle. See how it's highlighted? So I know it's in the middle there. That's going to be 4 mil. Come on. 4 mil, thank you. And that's fully defined. That's strange. That one locked in. Interesting. Alright, so now we want feature, extrude cut through all, and done. So let me hide you and hide you. Save that one. Oop, hold on, what the heck? Why has someone got a hole? That's B. Let me open up A. Okay. Okay, so I've got to turn that around. That's no problems. That's no worries. Open up A. That's there. Let me mate. Just rotate that bit. That face with that face. That face, thank you. But let me rotate it. So I want that face with that face. Oh, mate, thank you. There we go. And done. We want that, that point and this point. Zoom right in more. There we go. Seriously? Okay, let's do that line and this line. There we go. Now if we do this face here and this face here, and I went out mate again. Man, I'm doing that a lot. Let's try it again. But let's rotate it. Now we want this circle here and we're made it. What the heck? I'm clicking the wrong button somewhere. And this button, this hole here, there we go. Nope, we want to do... Actually, I'll leave that as is for now. So, there's that one. Yeah, he's going right in, mate. Let me just do that. Okay, so now if I do that one, is that going to turn it around? No, it won't. If I do that circle, okay. Let me actually go down, mate. Let me delete that one. Yes. You rotate around a bit. Let me mate. Circle. Circle. There we go. That's what we wanted. Oop, yeah, there. Thank you. Zoom in. There we go. Got one more to go. Yep, that's correct. Yeah. So what makes it a little bit strong too, because you got a join there, the join's here. So if the join's there, that could be a weak point. This gives it more strength around there, and that's why they do that. I'm pretty sure that's why they do that. Right, I got one more piece. Just need this piece here. Let me just close down you and you and you. Control N. Part MMGS. It's gonna be front plane. Sketch, and do 2 circles. 1, 2, and that's going to be 9 and 6. 9, 6. Yeah, we'll make sure that's going to be width of 6. Do mid-plane. There we go. That's going to be the color. Cool. Let's see. 6-30J. I'll call that ring. Go to mate. That one there. Let's go to mate there. Outer circle. Outer circle. Face and face. Seriously? Face and face. You guys, yeah. All right, that's part done. Let's double check. Got 2 holes run through there, through there get bolted. Nope, we have missed. We have not finished. Say a little thing, but it is something. Let's go assembly. Oh, hold on. Let's open up this one. Let's open up that one. Oh, interesting. Save that one. Thank you. And we want, where are we? Fillet of 3 mil. There, and there. And done. Oh, very nice. You know, well, I might change that. It says 3, but it doesn't line up too well. What does that look if we change that to 2? No, it still doesn't line up. Interesting. Let's give it 3. And done. So that one. Let me open up this one for now. Let's see, open up that one. Nope. That's the correct color. Okay, that's weird. All right, that should be done. 6, 11, 9. Looks like all the measurements are there. Yep. All right, that is part 6-30J. the water pump eccentric rod and strap for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Whew, say that 10 times fast. Thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next episode. Remember, keep on building.